Hey there guys, it's me, Alexander. I want to talk to you about this amazing piece. This is Maude, and she is in the Amore collection. Gorgeous, gorgeous wig, natural kind of like, almost like a wave to a curl. We're showing it in this lovely colour, it's a lovely red colour, but what I love about this style, it's so modern, it's so fresh, it's so new, and it's heat-friendly fibre as well, which is great. This is Maude, and she's in the Amore collection. Maude is a heat-friendly fibre wig with open wefted cap, monofilament top, extended lace and adjustable straps at the nape.